that. That's not how you do it. You go like this. Like that. Not like that, and then like that. Like that. Alright? Here we go. Home run time right now.
Practice swing.
No, just déjalo.
Okay.
Ready? Good. That's better.
You guys gonna pitch to him at the game?
You didn't take a step though.
Yeah,
You
it's
didn't take a
Coach
step,
Fitch.
remember?
He stood and take a step. Just practice swing taking the step. Do it. You're not taking a step.
Ready? There you go.
There.
Hey, see how you swing better?
Yeah.
Here we go. You have your feet too open, that's why. Keep your feet like this, more closer, and then you take a step. Like
Pay
that.
attention
Leave
to
your
what
feet like
Daddy's
that.
telling you.
Leave your feet like that. Then you're gonna take a step, okay? See how your swing is better? Jesse, if your feet are open, you can't take a step no more because your feet are too open. So you put your feet closer, then you take a step. There you go. Ready? Like that, exactly.
Good hit, buddy.
What the French? See, I told you. Feet close. There you go.